check this out. So I'm going to type the first one like I want it to appear. Peter A. Albert. Capitalize each item. And then on the data tab, it's called Flash Fill. Brand new in Excel 2013. I choose Flash Fill, and they will take that first example and copy it down. Flash Fill. Flash Fill. Yeah, all right. I'm going to pass that applause on to Jane, the gal from the Word team, from that. All right. Now, what if it wasn't something like that? What if we needed first initial, skip the middle initial, last name? So I want P. Albert, like that. Flash Fill. And what happened? That is really horrible. Okay, so this guy's name is Chad. Chad screwed up. Chad thinks I want the middle initial. All right, so undo, Control Z or Command Z. I have to give it a few so Chad knows what I'm doing. A. Andre, and let's just do, oh, that's a really hard one to type. Sorry, Frank, you're out. Jeez, he didn't need anything anyway. All right, so now I've given Chad, the Flash Fill guy, enough of an idea of what I'm trying to do, so I choose Flash Fill, and yes, okay, there we go. It worked, it worked. Also, the other one that'll drive me crazy is if I fat finger it, if I type it wrong. So let's go with Peter Alberk, right? So now Chad thinks the rule, which is incomprehensible, is that I always want to replace the last letter of the last name with a K. But Chad's like, okay, yeah, whatever you need to do, all right? So, no, wow, that didn't even work. Wait, sorry, Control E, yeah, so, oh, and it's even worse, yeah. So it's first initial, yeah, Chad doesn't find the pattern all the time. But lots of times it'll happen. All right, so here, name, phone, location, date of birth. I want the city. I just want the city, so I'm going to grab Fairbanks, and then Flash Fill. Beautiful. It even was smart enough to get Las Vegas because of that comma. Had the commas not been there, it would be really likely I would have gotten lost. In fact, let's try that. So I'm going to use Control H or Command H, get rid of that comma, replace it with nothing, and now we'll try and break Flash Fill. This is great. This is my job. I try and break Excel. What an awesome, and I'm great at it. I break Excel all the time. Flash Fill, Control E. Yeah, see, but here's the cool thing about Flash Fill. Flash Fill is waiting for me to say, that's not it, Chad. They don't actually listen to you. It's not like Facebook or anything. Chad watches for me to go fix one. So I go down to Las Vegas, and I correct Chad, and he will then fix St. Louis down in row 11. Bam. Yeah, right? It's a cool little feature.